things, and I've never seen anything like this. And I have, as you've mentioned, been to Pakistan many times. I am absolutely with you in pushing the international community to do more. Every current effort, and I've seen the Army. I've been with the Army and with my colleagues at IRC, and I've seen those lives who were saved, but I've also seen those who I've been speaking to people and thinking if enough aid doesn't come, they won't be here in the next few weeks. They won't make it. Too many children, so malnourished, and then even if they make it through these next months with the winter coming and the destruction of the crops, I really can't imagine what it feels like to be there. I'm here as a friend to Pakistan and to the many warm friends and relationships I have here, and will continue to return. My heart is very, very much with people at this time.